Hello again, it's great to see you are back to get the most relevant news in the Gen AI space. We are smack in the middle of earnings reporting season, and this week both Intel and AMD have shown their numbers, and the market has decided that one will soar while the other will fall. Can you tell which one got the axe and which the thumbs up? Join me and let's break down their recent earnings reports and discuss what these results mean for investors in the AI space. Intel's Q3 earnings report brought some much-needed relief after the Q2 horror show sent the stock price below $20 per share. The company announced significant cost-cutting measures and reported improving business trends. In the words of Chief Executive Pat Gelsinger, results underscore the solid progress Intel is making to reduce costs, simplify its portfolio, and be more efficient. Intel's third-quarter revenue was $13.3 billion, beating FactSet consensus by 2.3%. In addition, revenue rose sequentially almost 4% in comparison to the second quarter. For the fourth quarter, Intel's revenue guidance came in slightly above the midpoint expectations. All this helped Intel's stock gain 12% in after-hours trading. And while the road to recovery is still long, Intel's focus on efficiency and cost reduction is a promising step in the right direction. On the other hand, AMD's Q3 earnings report was met with mixed reactions. Some investors expected AMD to raise its outlook for AI chips. At the same time, company executives acknowledged that the profit margins for AMD's family of AI graphics chips were below historic average. To top it all off, the company's guidance for the next quarter fell short of analyst expectations, leading to an 8% dip in AMD's stock price in after-hours trading. While Intel and AMD are making significant strides in the AI chip market, NVIDIA is still seen as the rival to beat. Investors will keep an eye on both companies going forward as Intel, with its strong brand and extensive resources, is well-positioned to regain its dominance in the chip market, while AMD is aggressively investing in R&D to develop competitive AI chips and gain market share. We are currently at an early stage of AI development, which means that many companies around the world are after cheaper chips to train their AI models. At the same time, large U.S. tech companies are actively exploring ways to reduce their dependency on offshore, expensive chip providers. All this could spell major opportunity for both Intel and AMD in the upcoming months. And with that, we come to the end of another remarkable episode in the AI chip wars. Now I'd like to hear from you. What do you think of Intel and AMD? Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please help us liking it and sharing it. Also consider subscribing to the channel in case you have not done so yet, so you are in the loop when we release new content.
Disclaimer: the content provided on this channel is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any security or digital asset. The information presented is based on publicly available data, which is subject to change without notice. The channel owner is not responsible for any losses incurred as a result of decisions made based on the information presented.